Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create 5 fun Christmas nail art designs. Start with a base coat. Apply tan polish to your pinky and pointer fingers and white to the rest of your nails. You will most likely need 2 coats. I like to use a spoon to put my colors on so I can dip my brush or dotting tool into them. I am repeating these steps for all of the colors I'm using in this video. The first design is a holly berry design. Create 3 dots in 2 of the corners of your nail. Use a green polish to create a line for the base of the leaf. Then add little lines coming off of that leaf. If you need to clean up, use the tan polish. I am speeding up a couple of these clips to save time, but this next design is a gingerbread nail. Start by making a circle on the top and then create the body using a small detail brush. Create little arms coming out from the side and legs. Again, if you make any mistakes, you can use the base color to clean it up. Next, I am using a dotting tool and white nail polish to create eyes. Then I am adding 2 black dots on top of the white dots to finish off the eyes. This clip got a little blurry, but I am drawing a mouth with white nail polish and a detail brush. To finish off the gingerbread, add 3 dots going down the middle of the body. You can use whichever colors you prefer. I used green and red. The next design is probably the most beginner friendly. Take the brush of the bottle and create a circle on the bottom of your nail. Then take another color and make another circle slightly overlapping the first one. You will probably want to apply a second coat to those colors. When you are finished with that, take a small detail brush and create lines coming from the top of your nail to the top of the circles. You can use gold or silver. You could leave it like this, but I decided to make it into a bow. Clean up using the base color. The next design is a little Santa hat design. Start with making red triangles on your nail. Use the base color to clean up if needed. Next, use a dotting tool or toothpick to create a dot at the top and a row of dots at the bottom of the triangle. And there you have it, little Santa hats. The last design is a candy cane design. Start by creating a thicker line across the middle of the nail. Then create two thinner lines on either side of that and two more thick lines on the other sides of the thin lines. Clean up with white when necessary. Lastly, apply top coat and make sure that your designs are dry before doing this so you don't smear them. And that is it for this video. If you would like to see my other holiday nail art designs, I will link them in the cards. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!